Yellow lantana, Lantana camara, is a vibrant flowering plant renowned for its beautiful yellow blossoms and attractive foliage. It is a popular choice among gardeners due to its ability to thrive in various climates and its low maintenance requirements. This comprehensive guide will provide you with all the information you need to successfully grow yellow lantana in your garden. Choosing the right location. Yellow lantana requires a sunny location to thrive. Choose a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Soil preparation. Before planting, prepare the soil by removing any weeds, rocks, or debris. If the soil is heavy or clayey, amend it with organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure to improve drainage and fertility. A slightly acidic to neutral pH level, around 6.0 to 7.5, is ideal for yellow lantana. Planting yellow lantana. Dig a hole slightly larger than the plant's root ball. Gently loosen the root ball to encourage root growth. Place the plant in the hole and backfill with soil, firming it gently around the base. Water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil and eliminate air pockets. Watering. While yellow lantana is relatively drought tolerant, regular watering is necessary, especially during the plant's establishment period. Water deeply once or twice a week, allowing the soil to dry out between watering sessions. Avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. Fertilization. Yellow lantana is not a heavy feeder, but occasional fertilization can promote healthier growth and more abundant blooms. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer or a water-soluble fertilizer formulated for flowering plants. Follow the package instructions for application rates and timings. Pruning and deadheading. Regular pruning is beneficial for yellow lantana as it encourages bushier growth and prolongs the blooming period. Prune the plant in early spring before new growth emerges to remove any dead or damaged branches. Winter care. Yellow lantana is sensitive to cold temperatures and cannot tolerate frost. In regions with mild winters, the plant may survive outdoors. However, if you live in an area with freezing temperatures, it is advisable to grow yellow lantana as an annual or overwinter it indoors in a well-lit area. Prune the plant back to a manageable size before bringing it indoors, and water sparingly during the dormant period. With its vibrant yellow flowers and ability to attract butterflies and hummingbirds, yellow lantana is an excellent addition to any garden. By following the guidelines outlined in this comprehensive guide, you can successfully grow and care for yellow lantana, enjoying its beauty and charm throughout the growing season. Happy gardening!